Guys, I'm freezing!
Hello guys, Croatian travelers are back. Today something really special for you. We are inside the volcano. Welcome to Maui.
Yeah!
Maui is the most exclusive Hawaiian island and one of the most expensive places to visit in the world. Many celebrities have properties here, and it's like Beverly Hills on steroids, especially Wailea, so it's hard to find accommodation for $500 per night. Maui is the second largest island in Hawaii, uniquely shaped with the third largest population of 150,000. It was formed by two volcanoes, Haleakala and the West Maui Mountains. With sparkling beaches, clear water, a volcano and waterfalls, there is no shortage of things to see, do and experience here. More than any Hawaiian island, Maui has 120 miles of accessible beaches with 81 white, black and gold sand beaches.
We are now at Kanapali Beach, and here we will spend a few hours. Kanapali Beach is located near Lahiana, but we will not go there because devastating huge fire from the last year, the most of the town is gone, so we don't want to disturb locals.
Tourism on the island has been a long debated subject, with residents trying to find the most sustainable way to preserve the land while supporting the economy. When visiting Maui, remember to educate yourself about the culture, respect the land and its people.
We are right now at McGregor Point in Maui, and this is the best spot for whale watching. And oh my god, they're huge and there are hundreds of them.
Maui is home to the largest humpback whale migration in the world, from mid-December to mid-April. As part of their annual migration route, humpback whales travel to Hawaii during the winter months for mating season. The shallow waters between Maui, Molokai and Lanai are prime locations to see humpback whales during the winter season. After the mating season, the humpback whales travel north to Alaska and they spend the summer there.
We are at Wailea Beach, and this beach is one of the best and the most beautiful beaches on the island of Maui. are driving now road to Hana, and Maria is sick. She wants to throw up. The road is crazy, but it's so beautiful.
The Hana Highway was rated a drive of a lifetime by National Geographic. The road to Hana has 620 curves and 59 bridges. This drive takes you through the luscious part of Maui. The twisting road takes you to beaches, waterfalls, small towns, gardens, and even a national park. It takes around 5 hours to drive the full road to Hana. A common saying in Hawaii is maka to makai, meaning mountain to ocean. A good way to experience the island is to do both, maka and makai. Driving up to Haleakala summit to watch the sunrise is Maui's top maka activity. The mountain is 10,000 feet high and displays breathtaking views and a unique landscape. It also holds great significance in Hawaiian culture, and the Haleakala National Park preserves the environment for endemic plants and animals. Haleakala is the largest dormant volcano in the world, with a summit of 10,000 feet. It last erupted 400 to 600 years ago. The summit depression can hold the island of Manhattan at 21 miles across and 4,000 feet deep.
Guys, I can't believe I'm here, and seems I'm the only one here. Currently it's so cold. A little traveler and Maria are frozen. They went back to the car, so it's only me here, and it's so quiet, no wind, nothing, so peaceful. To visit Haleakala National Park, ticket cost $30, but they worked for 3 days. So 3 days you can come here and explore the volcano. There are so many different hiking trails. Currently we are on the best trail, I think, at least for me. It's called sliding sand. You can see why, because it's like ocean.
The sliding sands trail starts on the rim of Haleakala and descends into the crater. The views of the crater and the cinder cones are phenomenal, and it's a very unique experience.
We came here to watch the sunset. Many people come here to watch sunrise because they say it's spectacular, but you need to reserve tickets 1 month up front, and it's very cold. You need to come early morning, like 3 a.m. or 5 a.m. So we are here with little travelers, so that's not option for us, but we will be happy with sunset. Oh my god, I'm so tired and I'm freezing. Whew. Bring something warm, guys. I don't know how high I am, probably 10,000 feet. Definitely. It's chilly. It's freezing here. Oh my god. Now it's, I think, 6:30 p.m. Sunset is coming, and I'm frozen. I'm really frozen. It was easy to go down, but to get up from that hole, that is different story. Okay, enough talking, let's go to see sunset, at least some of it. Guys, thank you for watching. That's everything from Maui. See you next week with our new adventure. Bye.